Alright guys, let's take a look at the Seals Splash Deck, also known as a half skirt spray skirt, that basically will cover the front of your cockpit. And this is a great product if you just need something to cover your legs or decrease the initial splash that can come over the front cockpit for easy whitewater and or any type of lake paddling. This is a great thing to have, and we really have enjoyed them so far, and I hope you like this review, and if so, hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to put on a Seals splash deck, also called a half skirt. We're going to try these with our wreck boats, especially when we're doing any kind of rapids on the river, just to decrease the amount of water coming over. So I just ordered these, and you go to the Seals website and put in what boat what model it is, and it'll tell you the size skirt that you need for the size of the cockpit based upon which model it is. Now getting it on is the hard part. So you're just going to try to get it over that edge, and then try to get this back edge around. It might pop off, that's okay. I think this one's already stretched out a little because it's wet, but a lot of times it'll try to pop off. If you've got two people, someone holds it down while you do the back edge. And then you just get that under the edge, under that edging. And if you have a smaller cockpit, it's going to be harder to get in, so you might have to put it on after you're in the boat. Or in this case, you can also just slide it up. So we found it's easier to just go ahead and put it on. It's hard to put it on when you're sitting in the boat. So my husband figured out he can just slide that up. Now you have plenty of room to get in. And then, you know, if your legs are getting too much sun for a long day paddle, you can pull this over your legs to protect your legs. Or if you're about to go through some pretty big waves on a river, maybe a little whitewater, you know, this is going to help decrease the amount of water. Now, water is still going to come in if you go through a pretty big wave or whitewater situation. You know, it's still going to come around the edges and the back. So it doesn't keep all the water out, but it does decrease that big initial wave. And then when you're getting out, just push that back up and you're ready to get out. So that's the Seals splash deck. If you're on the water or you're getting off the water and you're ready to you don't need your splash deck half skirt anymore, you're ready to take it off, you're gonna just pull on this front loop, this little yellow loop. You're just gonna tug on that, and it's gonna just get it over that edge, and then it's just gonna snap off because this is so stretchy. So that's how you pop it off.